Hello everybody and welcome to Decent Rally. In this video I'm going to talk about Binance, the fastest growing Chinese cryptocurrency exchange. Binance allowed trading NEO from day one and it got lots of attention after letting users collect gas, fuel of the NEO network. When NEO's price started quickly going up, popularity of Binance also greatly increased. At the same time, people started massively buying BNB, official coin of the exchange, which has a really impressive use case. If we look at the chart, market capitalization of Binance went up from 11 million to 200 million at the time of making this video. From my point of view, this is only the beginning if the exchange will operate well. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of Binance as an exchange and especially as an investment from my point of view. So, advantages. Even though it launched not long ago, Binance is already a well-performing exchange with great technology. One of the main technical features is speed, as its certified matching engine can process 1.4 million orders per second. Another advantage is that the exchange will soon have multi-device support and will be available on iOS, Android, HTML5 and other platforms. New features will be constantly added, beginning with spot trading, margin trading and futures. Next step in the development is going to be anonymous instant exchange, followed by a major upgrade to a decentralized, blockchain-based exchange. According to the plans, this will give BNB coin another use case, as it will be used as gas for different tasks. A really great selling point for Binance is the team behind it. It consists of professionals with huge experience in cryptocurrencies and traditional finance. They are led by Changpeng Zhao, who has founded and co-founded several extremely successful companies, including PG Tech, a cloud-based exchange system provider, and OKCoin, a big Chinese exchange. List of advisors and investors is also pretty impressive, and one of them is Da Hongfei, founder of NEO. The team claims to have solid relationships with industry leaders, and this list kinda proves that. Another big advantage is that Binance aims to be a multilingual exchange. They will support English, Chinese, Japanese and Korean on all user interfaces. The company targets not only China but also North America, Europe, Japan and Korea. If things go as planned, Binance can become one of the top global exchanges. I really like the strategy for funds usage too. 35% of existing funds will be used to build the platform and make improvements to the system, including software development, staff expenses, trainings and so on. An almost 50% will be spent on marketing, which seems like a right approach for a new cryptocurrency exchange. Binance definitely needs to build a brand and attract users and investors for long-term success. Remaining 15% is a reserve fund for unexpected occurrences or any emergency situations. Now let's talk about BNB, Binance Coin. BNB has actual utility and unlike many other Ethereum-based tokens, it will be actually useful from 24th August. Here are use cases for the coin according to the plans. The first one is that users of the exchange get a 50% discount on any fees if they pay in BNB in the first year. And as more people buy it to save on fees, price of the coin goes up, so they're saving even more. As I said, from August 24th, the exchange will end the no-fee structure that was implemented to attract first wave of users, so BNB won't be used for speculation only. Second use case. Binance announced that they are creating their own ecosystem for their own high-impact ICO platform, and these ICOs will be funded with BNB only. If they manage to present promising projects on their platform, Binance Coin will be a must-have for interested ICO investors. BNB will also be used as gas in their planned decentralized exchange. There are no specific details available, but mainly because it's not the primary focus of the exchange at this moment. Another great thing about the coin is the buyback system. Every quarter, Binance will use 20% of the profits to buy back BNB and destroy them, making the coin deflationary. Out of 200 million tokens, 50% was distributed during the ICO, 40% went to the founding team, and 10% was acquired by angel investors. Binance will eventually burn 100 million tokens, so the initial supply is going to be reduced by 50%. This is a good reason to hold on your BNB. It's important to note that the team can release 16% of their funds every year. I think we should also consider that BNB is in a different state than the rest of crypto world, because even there is a bear market and capitalization of all other coins go down, Binance coin will still benefit from the fees collected from a huge amount of sell orders. Until there is an incentive to use BNB for fees, it's going to be more stable than most altcoins. Now I would like to describe disadvantages, threats and concerns on Binance coin as an investment. The first one is pretty obvious. If the exchange fails to gain popularity due to technical problems, security issues, unsuccessful marketing efforts or whatever, the value of BNB will inevitably go down, as it's directly tied to success of Binance. I'm also worried about the reduction of discount rates for BNB as a fee. It will reduce by 50% for 4 years, and there will be no discount from year 5. So the coin is going to be less and less useful as a tool to save on fees, and its other use cases have to become more and more attractive. If the founding team doesn't add some new use cases, then utility of BNB will rely on success of Binance ICO platform and the decentralized exchange. They definitely have growth potential but are riskier and more likely to fail than already operating exchange. A good way of adding utility to the token will be moving to a dividend system to encourage long-term holding, but nobody knows whether or not this will happen. Not everything is perfect about the existing version of the exchange as well. Binance website looks unfinished and there are some operational issues. Even though new cryptocurrencies are constantly added, there are still not enough of them. But it's still new to the market and the team is actively working to fix the bugs, so I don't think these problems will be relevant in the future. Another barrier on the way to success can be the inability to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat money. According to their statement, there are no plans to add fiat as a deposit option. I understand that it's a future-oriented move, and managing fiat deposits can cause unnecessary complications, but at this stage, having that option would be great to attract newcomers in crypto world. BNB is available only on Binance, and it's not clear how will other exchanges act, as there is little incentive to add the coin that almost directly represents your competitor. Besides, users have more reasons to buy it on Binance rather than anywhere else, at least while there go discounts. We have to wait and see how it will reflect the price. All in all, I am very optimistic about the future of Binance and BNB token. There is a really big chance that this exchange will become one of the leaders of the market, which makes BNB one of the best bets in the current cryptocurrency space. Thanks for watching.